is day 2 of Mine-Intra. I'm Snomiko Sukumala and I'm really excited for today's session. Okay, first of all, please tell us your name.
So I'm Ronald Chungu from Harare, Zimbabwe. Work at Sunflow Energy, the best solar company in Zimbabwe. I recommend that because so what we do, I'll take you back to our company. What we basically do, we design all the solar systems, be it from your 1 kVA to your megawatt power stations. We've done that. So for example, I'll take you back with the clients that we're currently working with. So the US Embassy Zimbabwe, it's completely off the grid. We're actually doing that whole project. That's a 1 megawatt solar system that we installed with them with a 2.5 megawatt hour battery backup storage. So completely they're off the grid. They use Sunflow Energy, which are solar panels and stuff like that. And we also have got P&H Dairy Farm that's in Beatrice. We installed a 90 kVA system. So that guy supplies 40,000 liters of milk a day to Dairy Board. And you see in the long run, they are saving a lot on their ZESA bills. Because for example, give or take, let's say that dairy farmer was paying 10,000 every month on their ZESA bill. We slash that to make him pay, for example, 30% of that, which is like 3,000 a month. Because what we do at Sunflow Energy, everyone is having a solar company because they think they can do it. But now it's a matter of the products that we bring into Zimbabwe and the option that we can offer people here in Zimbabwe, because not everyone is afloat in terms of cash. We offer in-house finance. So all those major projects, be it from an 80 kVA system up to all the megawatt power stations, we offer in-house finance with a flat rate of interest, which is 10%. So our financing terms range from 1 year to 5 years. So we believe within that term, you'll be able to recoup your money. For example, we're here at Mine-Intra because we're trying to explore the mining houses around here in Kwabulawayo, Matebele area, because we've already started in Mashonaland. We've got other partners, other mining houses that we're partnering with. So we're hoping that from the networking and the connections that we have had with clients here, we're going to have good business. And then if good business comes, then we can justify having a branch here in Bulawayo. Yeah, basically. But I feel like Mine-Intra has been good, especially today. In as much as yesterday was a little bit slow because, it's the first day. People are still setting up, other people are coming in late and stuff like that. But today, I believe Mine-Intra was today.
Yeah.
Because we made a lot of mining houses, a lot of potential clients, which are leads that you just have to follow on and build relations. In as much as we're going now into SAPA, you entertain your clients and then you see how it goes. But yeah, Mine-Intra has been good. Nothing bad as of now. Hoping to come back next year.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see with the leads that are going to happen. But now, if it's not I'm going to come back here and shout that you guys made me pay for a stand and then didn't work. But I feel like for other people that are listening, the way to go to save on all your bills is to go solar. And when you're going solar, you've got to make sure that you're the company that's got top tier products. Ours are tier 1. We recommend you because our batteries, we've got the high voltage batteries, which are the 48 volts. Currently, we're keeping the brand called Pylon-Tech.
The ones you were telling me about.
Yeah, the ones I was telling you about, yeah. And then we've got the top of the range inverters. The brands that we're keeping now, like for residential for you guys, we keep the Vectron brand, which is the Rolls Royce of inverters. We've got the Dare brand, which is also reasonably, and it's also industrial for all the commercial products. And also, we're the exclusive supplier of the SunGrow in Zimbabwe that we currently have. So I'm looking forward to having you guys giving me a call. I believe you guys will post my number to everyone. Those that are not getting it, 0775 492 403. Let's do business together, guys. I promise you, good discounts if you're going to mention this podcast. Recommend you that.
And please do share this episode when you go back.
100%. I'll post it on our Facebook page. Follow us, Sunflow Energy Zimbabwe. We're there on Instagram. Or even you can drop me an email, ronaldc@sunflow.io. Because what happens with us, the reason why we can offer finance is that we've got investors from America and Turkey, which is something that other people don't have, like all the other solar energy companies, because they tell you go to the bank. And the bank is going to break your leg in terms of interest. But now when you come to us, it's a flat fee. It's 10%. Anyone can afford that. And it's in the range from what you call it, from 1 year to 5 years. Within that, I rest assured you recoup back your money. Especially if you're a mining house, you definitely need that. We can power your crushers, your millers, everything. Let's do business, guys. I think it's something that's needed. Yeah.
if you were to rewind back to when you were choosing what to study, would you change?
I think I would have changed. I would have gone to IT because IT is giving more money, but I don't like it.
Okay.
But now I feel like my personality puts me into marketing, but I never thought I was going to be in marketing, because now when you're growing up and you're, no offense, but when you're black, it's either you're a doctor, engineer, in finance, you're accounting, or you're a lawyer. Those are the pillars that we grow up with. You get it. So you're like, guys, I want to be an accountant because I did commercials in A-level, stuff like that. And then I went to MSU, and then I'm like, no, guys, I want to do accounting, because you had 13 points, and you're like, I want to do accounting at mathematics. Then you go to varsity throughout, you push, but now when you're doing your professional qualification, you actually feel it. That, I think this is not me.
Yeah.
And then later on, you just push it because you've got to make your parents proud. Then after that, now you move back, and then now you're running like 7 years that I was in South Africa, and then I'm seeing like, guys, I cannot just be behind the desk. This is not me. I want to move into ops, and then you get into ops. But now with that accounting background, it's something that's good, because now all your decisions are based on numbers. And then you switch, you get promotions, and then you end up missing home. South Africa is not home. You come back to Zimbabwe, interviewed for an accounting role, because that's the only thing because everyone in Zim is qualified. You get it. So you go into a space that but in that space I got lucky, and then I was told like, no man, you're never gonna make you an accountant. We're opening a new position for you. You're gonna be in BD. And ever since I haven't looked back, but I'm actually enjoying. I don't know anything that's technical, but slowly learning. But now with that appreciation of speaking to people and stuff like that, that's when I made Sunflow Energy, now remarket and stuff like that, and we're moving on. And I haven't looked back ever since then, but that's how it is.
I'm curious, take me back to your 8-year-old, if you remember what he was like, your 8-year-old self, right? What kind of personality did he have? Because I'm going somewhere with this.
Yeah.
Do you remember what you were like back then?
I felt like I wanted to be in the army, because I really enjoyed how those guys look, the straight thing, and you go to ZESA, you're seeing soldiers, or even when the president when RG was still parading, you see soldiers like looking all good, and I was like, because I was a rugby guy, so I was tough. So I felt like that's going to be my life throughout. And then, you move to high school, went to Mazoe Boys High School. I'm like, I don't want to be a banker. Bank manager, A-level. I'm like, nah, everyone is talking of the top qualifications, this career is proper, and old boys are coming to school. I want to move into finance. And then, but 8 years, I want to be a soldier. I'm like, let me be a soldier. That's me.
What was your personality like? Were you introverted, bubbly, somewhere in between, ambivert?
Yeah, I think I'm bubbly. I'm outgoing like that.
Yeah.
That's
extrovert.
Me. Exactly. That's me. I'm the out. We can drive to the UK, not fly, but drive to the UK, and you never be quiet with me. I promise you on that.
For real.
I promise.
We should do road trips. What do you think, guys?
As long as you guys are paying and beers are there, it's fine. Sweet. It's okay. Yeah.
That's so cool, because adrenaline junkie as well.
Yeah, not on bungee jumping, but the rest I can do. Because I stayed in Victoria Falls on my internship year, and what I saw when someone came back here, it wasn't something that's lovely. So I was like, that I'll never do. But whitewater rafting, I've done that, and the 4x4 tracks, with Range Rover and stuff like that, I've done that. It's amazing. The quad bikes, and then there's the one in Zanzibar, the one you with the dolphins. That was nice. Swimming with the dolphin, that was nice.
That feels refreshing.
Very refreshing.
So I'm asking all of this because part of our audience is kids, right?
Yeah.
And I'm realizing the value of what they call it, career guidance.
Career guidance, yeah.
Yes, because yes, for sure, accounting comes in handy now.
Sweet,
but also maybe you would have found what you wanted to do from the onset when you started varsity and studied marketing.
Exactly.
But I'm realizing this.
So my advice to other guys that are listening is that I feel it all goes back to the parents.
Yes.
Because I feel like I'm going to use the term black, because no offense to anyone here, yeah? Our parents, normally when you're growing up, they instill this dream in you that I want you to be a doctor. I need you to be a pilot. I need you to be an engineer. But now, being in South Africa, someone can major in art and they can make a lot of money because it's their passion. You get it. You will never be bored. In life, look at me, I switched careers, like I've been there, because I didn't know what I liked. But sitting here, talking to people, laughing, drinking all night long, not for the sake of being an alcoholic, but entertaining clients. But by 10, I'll be home. You get it. So the thing is that if you follow your passion, like deep down within you, if you can sit within your space, your own circle, then you're just like, guys, what do I like? What do I enjoy? You know, drawing can make you get money.
I draw by the way.
Yeah, you get it. Talking, like being a personal celebrity, a personality like that, you always have avenues that will make you get money.
Yeah.
But now the moment when you're like Ronald, me, going into finance because I thought being a CA was going to give you a lot of money, then you're getting it all wrong. You're going to be bored. And then now, look, I wasted a lot of years doing that professional work. Those exams don't come in easy, eh? Those are hard.
Yeah.
It's like sleepless nights and stuff like that. But then I look back and I'm like, I did this, but I didn't enjoy it. But now I'm in marketing and sales and development area strategy, something that I enjoy. Even if my boss calls me at 12 at night, I pick up the call because it's something that I really enjoy.
Yeah.
What's the strategy for tomorrow? Okay, what marketing? We're going to meet this client. And then you're brainstorming on, okay, SK, what does she like? Okay, this is so I can beat on this angle because I need this tender. I need this contract. This has to come through for me. This solar plant is got to work because I love it. Even for now, it's going to be a month. I haven't been back home, but I'm still okay with it. In as much as I miss my mom, but I'm still okay with it. I'm like, okay, let's do business. I'm going to see my mother. I've got December, I've got November. But for now, I'm doing business. I'm happy. But promise you, if I was in finance, I was going to be complaining like, this job, it's something else. But that's how it is. So I personally would recommend parents to see to their kid, what do you love? Do not instill a dream into your child. Because now when you instill them, like in my head, my dad was like, you're going to run my businesses and you're going to be my finance guy. And that was the dream throughout. Up until I got to South Africa, and then you're sitting those long audit nights and you're like, yes, guys, this I cannot do.
Sad own.
You get it, and then you're like, chill, let me switch. It's gone, switch done. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it.
All right, go and shine.
Sweet.
Literally, go and shine. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm Ngozi, and
I'm Ronald Chungu, Sunflow Energy Zimbabwe.
And we're out.
Cheers.